Welcome back. Be the change you wish to see in the world. So said Bapu. Often we hear people being critical about the world around them. They fail to realize that they too have probably been contributors to the problem. Gandhiji simply nudges us to start doing things the way we expect others to do. Change starts from within. Change starts from us. Take responsibility for your surroundings. Set things right. Soon, the world will start converting for the better. Freedom fighters complain that the British government is corrupt, full of lies, and needs to go. Gandhiji took a step back and asked himself and the people around him about how much of honesty have we built into ourselves. The British need to go, fine. But what about the new government set up by Indians? Can they promise a honest rule if they do not practice honesty in their personal lives? Today, this is what has become of the political system in India. Politicians with no personal moral principles come to power promising the very things that they themselves lack in their personal lives. Take the example of the boy who was praised by Prime Minister Modi for his efforts in cleaning Vular Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Bilar Dar's story dates back to 2011. He was forced to do menial jobs following the death of his father. He moved to Srinagar for a job in a hotel. One day, while working at the hotel, he was confronted by the police who forced him out of his job, citing child labor. Dar returned to his village. He used to go swimming with his village friends in the Vular Lake. As they were swimming in the lake, Dar had to wade through hundreds of plastic bottles. He had two choices in front of him: complain and do nothing, the easy choice. But he chose the difficult one. It suddenly struck him that he could collect these bottles. It would not only clean the lake but also help him earn a living. From that day, Dar left his village at 6 in the morning every day and returned home after spending more than 12 hours in the lake searching for plastic bags and bottles. Every day, he would collect 100 to 200 plastic bottles and hundreds of polythene bags. It would fetch him something around rupees 200. For 6 years, Dar not only earned a living for his family, which comprised of his mother and 2 sisters, but he also managed to save enough to marry off his older sister. In those 6 years before being recognized by Prime Minister Modi, he had also cleaned the Vular Lake of thousands of kilograms of plastic trash. Be the change